Welcome again to Pro Investors, or great to have you here. I know you've been waiting to learn about NFTs since a long time. Now, let's not wait any longer and dive in right away and explore the world of NFTs. Now, let's get started. Now, what is NFT? NFT means Non Fungible Tokens. NFTs are cryptographic assets, or in simple words, they are nothing but digitally created assets which are fully based on blockchain technology. Furthermore, they are mostly created using the same kind of programming, yes, the same type of programming that is used for creating cryptocurrencies as well. Therefore, we can say that NFT belongs to the same family of cryptocurrency and blockchain. There is something unique about the NFTs, you see. Now, how is it different when compared to physical currency and cryptocurrencies? Although NFT belongs to the same blockchain family, what is the difference, or how is it different to the cryptocurrencies present out there? So let's understand this first. Cryptocurrencies are fungible in nature. So what does it mean? This means that they can be traded and they can also be exchanged for another. On the other hand, how about the NFT? NFTs are non-fungible tokens. In general, it is similar to Bitcoin or Ethereum as well, which means that it can neither be replaced nor it can be interchanged, which is what makes it unique. What sets NFT apart from Bitcoin and other cryptos in the market is that in most cases, NFTs represents the real world objects, like it can be art, music, in-game items and videos as well to a great extent. Now that we know what is NFT, our next question is, how do we purchase these NFTs? Yes, it can be bought online. The same way you would purchase cryptocurrencies, they can be bought and sold online frequently with other cryptocurrencies because they're generally encoded with the same underlying software as many cryptos. Now, before you think that the NFT world is new, you'll be surprised to know that they have been existing since 2014. Although they have been around since a long time, NFTs have started to gain prominence only now, perhaps in the recent years, because they're becoming an increasingly popular way to buy and sell those digital artworks created around the world. In addition to that, these NFTs are usually one of a kind. You can say that they're exclusive, very limited to only few numbers. For example, it's something like a limited edition of your favorite sneakers or a handbag which was created only once, and the same piece will be recreated never again. Besides, every NFT is programmed with a unique identifying code, which is what makes it exclusive and one of a kind. Although NFTs have been around since 2014, they are still going through an evolution phase and it is still being explored in different segments of industries. However, some of the NFTs that exist today are in the form of digital assets, digital collectibles, domain names, games, essays, and even sneakers in fashion line, which is quite interesting. Now let's look at some of the specific NFT projects that exist in the market. First in the list, and also one of the most popular one, is Decentraland. Yes, it's called Decentraland. Now, Decentraland is an NFT game wherein the participating players are allowed to buy the virtual world which is owned by the users. What's interesting here is the owner of this virtual space can monetize their world with shops, they can advertise brands, and they can all go creative and innovative to build their whole space. The next in the list is CryptoKitties. CryptoKitties is also a very famous NFT game that involves features like breeding and collecting cats. These digital cats took NFTs to the mainstream, wherein each token will have distinctive attributes. Then there's another game in the space which is called Blockchain Heroes. Blockchain Heroes is actually an original trading card series which highlights the similarities between personalities in the crypto and the blockchain space. Well, there are many such interesting games and the list goes on. So let's keep the rest of the list for another day. So perhaps another dedicated video in which we can aim to cover, if not all the games, at least the most popular ones. Great. Now before we end this, let's summarize the three key factors we learned in this session. The first thing we learned about NFT is that it is a digital asset and it represents some internet collectible arts like art, music, games, and an authentic certificate created by blockchain technology that underlines the cryptocurrency. And then we learned about the NFT, which is very unique. What it means is that it cannot be forced or manipulated in any way. Last but not the least, we learned that the NFTs are basically tied with cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin on specialist sites. So all in all, non-fungible tokens are very unique and they're digital representations of assets living on a blockchain. As the world explores, the distributed and immutable ledgers can make transacting safer and faster, and NFT definitely plays an important role in this process. These assets have their transaction history very well preserved, they have the potential to streamline trade, and they are indeed a cornerstone in the emerging digital world. Well, thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe to Pro Investors Arena for more such investment content.